Hello!
Sashiburi!
Sashiburi! Long time no see, you guys. So this is Walter and Ashley here. We're back at Kiriko Taiko practice. Ashley has her Kiriko Taiko t-shirt on. And we just got back from the Wajima Taisai, the Wajima Kiriko Grand Festival. And we had an awesome time. Ashley did a great job on her Taiko debut. Did you have a good time?
Yay!
Yeah, she did awesome. Okay. Now, we're back at practice here on Monday night, and we're going to do something interesting called Hatsu-uchi, which is basically playing without practice. We're playing cold, okay? And this is a unique thing about Taiko is, in my experience, when I play, for example, like a song or anything like without practice, going cold, straight right into it, I often play better than if I warmed up and played it afterwards, okay? So we're gonna try this unique concept with Ashley today, just playing without practice, playing cold, and let's see how she does, okay? You guys ready? Let's go. All right.
Yay!
Get to the drum.
Listen.
That's right, you know how to play, okay? Ready? Onegaishimasu. It's high! Great job. That was Hatsu-uchi, and we ended up playing really fast. If you will notice, I'm going to be posting some videos up from the actual festival, but the people who play the Kiriko Taiko during the festival, they play super fast. Okay, have a seat. And it's hard to keep up, okay, as a kobai player and as an obai player, okay? So as a general rule, when you guys practice at home, really slow it down, right? We just went off the bat, played Hatsu-uchi with no practice, no warm-up, and we played super fast, okay? So when you guys practice, remember with anything, you gotta take it slow, okay? You gotta break down the rhythms, the intricacies, the details, and when you can play it slow with accuracy, then you're able to play really fast, okay? So just kind of wanted to put it out there, all right? So we're gonna continue practice after we stop this video. So thank you for watching as always. If you are interested in joining our Facebook group, okay, if you're interested in joining our Facebook group, go ahead, I'll put the link down below. And you will get these weekly videos, practice videos of myself and Ashley. And if you have a special request, please let me know. If you want me to make a video on a certain rhythm or how to play out the sticking, you know, how to hold the bachi or the stance, anything like that, just let me know, all right? Okay, guys, we will see you next week. Take care. Bye.
また見てね。